We're at the Hanwha Vision Step Partner Summit in beautiful Playa del Carmen.
We are down here with our top dealers to get their valued feedback on new product developments, sneak peek of our roadmap, and also to reward them for their business they bring us throughout the year.
Started the weekend off with a welcome reception, great food on the beach with drinks.
We had karaoke night,
cocktail hours.
2 days of presentations, heard from a lot of great vendors here, as well as the exciting things Hanwha's got rolling out this year.
The overall technology presentations, just giving us an insight of what's coming, not only from a technology perspective, but also how we as a company can interact with those products and solution sets.
We're learning about the roadmap with Hanwha Vision and Hanwha products, learning how we can continue to be of value to our customers.
we had organized dinners with partners,
Networking events,
great lunches.
the vendor hall.
The vendor hall is a really nice way to break out of the actual meeting itself and visit each vendor. There's a nice little table set up.
We got to talk to a lot of different dealers.
It gives us a chance to interact and have really close, in-depth conversations about how our technologies complement each other.
And then breakout rooms with our partners, showing the dealers who we deal with, our third-party partners, and educating them on who they are.
The attendance was great, and it was a lot of exposure for us to all the different sales partners that are out there.
We were able to meet all the attendees and get to know what the issues are that they're trying to solve.
Trade shows, you get probably like 3 minutes to get in front of somebody. At something like this, you have a lot more time to do follow-ups, to engage, to talk.
We all spoke together, then great questions. It was really very valuable.
Hanwha had a fantastic closing ceremony with a fantastic dinner and awards ceremony.
Events like this are important because it makes our product better. The voice of customer comes from these dealers, but then we can put these functions and features into our cameras to make our portfolio more advantageous for the customer.